watching. I got some plants propagating here. But I got a new watering can. Chickens are starting to lay. I'm getting about 3 to 6 eggs a day, which is really plenty. And I got 11 Rhode Island red chickens that are 4 years old. And I might do some videos on them sometime. The peacock feathers and some grass that we used to have here. And I kind of like it. Looks pretty good. It dried, the grass dried nice. And the peacock feathers, we're going to have a lot of them this year because I have 3 males. And it's going to be so pretty, but look. I will be showing you on later videos on how they're doing and how pretty they have gotten, because they're going to be 3 years old real soon. We've been buying quite a few stands at the thrift stores, and they work great for plants, and they're so cheap. So I love that I'm able to do that without having to spend very much money. Just a tip for you if you're looking for some. It seems like our thrift store here in our area carries a lot of these stands. Some of you might remember this used to be my pond. Now it's my flower bed. I added a bunch more grass around it. I dug up a bunch of plants, and I'm putting the perennials in some of my beds so I don't have to plant as much anymore. And I think it'll just ease up, all the time associated with weeding, as you all know. This bed here will be full of zinnias. Zinnias are one of my favorite plants, and they bloom all summer. They attract butterflies. So as you see, the rocks are a really nice decoration. Only downfall is a lot of weeds grow in between them, and then they're kind of hard to get, and you got to be moving rocks around. So keep that in mind if you think that you want to put rocks, in your flower beds, because it does take a little time to weed around them. Mama, baby, isn't that one cute? We gotta check and see if it's a girl or a boy. Oh, Mama's kind of mean. She don't like us here. Check it out. We've never had one like this with all the white on its ear. Oh, isn't it cute? Well, we were out at our daughter's this winter, and she had these lights down on these posts, and all ran by solar. So I thought they were really neat, and she said they lasted a long time and they'd done pretty well for her. So I went and I got them. So if you're interested in them, I'll have the link in the description there. You can get some of your own. And they do work pretty good. I already used some outside, but I have several more to put outside for decoration, and it's really neat to see at night everything lit up. I love to collect anything that has a windmill associated with it. So I thought this was really neat, and it's on our wall now. And it's very country, just like us here on the farm. In March, we cut down our privets. It was quite a chore. We've let them grow probably 10 plus years, and I bet they were 12 feet or better tall. Now they're about 4 feet. So it was quite a job, but they're going to come in a lot nicer, and I'm excited to see how well they do. It's green grass out our south window. This is our front lawn where we used to have trees. Took them down because they were just too close to the house. And now we have all grass, and I just love it. A nice, warmer, rainy day today. I worked the ground a little bit out here. Here's what I'm doing. I am downsizing a little bit, adding more grass, so it takes care of our weed problems. But I got plenty of flower beds yet, and my vegetable garden is way in back there. But as you can see, I've been doing some things, right? And I think it's going to be really pretty. I love green grass. I love to mow. and I just have a lot of area out here to take care of. And I wanted to, you know, as the years go by, I know that I can't do it all anymore, and I really don't want to. I want to enjoy the outdoors, but I don't want to make it seem like such a chore. Cat food. Now I'm not hoarding. It was on sale. Had a good price at Sam's. So I purchased a few. And as you know, we have a few cats here on the farm. I have my little water pump and waterfall inside, and I should get that going and get it outside. I just think it's actually a cute decoration in the house. Anybody comes, they know what to do. Well, it's April 11th today, but we're still using some heat. This is my electric fireplace that I just love. And I sit here by it, and my feet stay warm, my body stays warm, and I just love it. Mango begonias blooming indoors. Check that out. Isn't that pretty? But the foliage is much prettier, isn't it? South window does wonders. I have a curtain here up, so it's kind of filtered, but they just love it here. Peacock, I lost some feathers this spring, so I brought them in. I think they're just gorgeous. The daylilies are coming up nicely, but we're looking at snow and cold weather here now for a good week. So we'll see how they fare. There's my Rhode Island Reds. I got a Moran there too. So this is what it looks like now, right? Give it a month and we'll see how much it changes. Watch. Well, I'll get back here. Watch. See if anything happens. These guys go around and around every day. It's hilarious. Peyton, be nice. Well, we found out she loves to dig. Not gonna be so good in my garden, is it? Willow, what are you doing? Willow. Isn't she cute? She's a blue heeler, as you know, and they are very busy. Very busy breed. What you looking at? What you looking at? The rhubarb is coming up nicely. Here is our 6 blueberry plants that I planted last year. Let's hope they do something. Looks like they got a little green. Some are budding out already. Let's check it out. Oh yes. Thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye.